I can't believe I'm finally doing this. Hello everyone, this is Kritika here, and this is, I think, my first video on YouTube. I have started this channel to, um, explore a few different options that I have in my mind and try to be creative with it. This is not just a typical random channel that has one category itself. I'm trying to focus on multiple aspects where of what I generally interest in my daily life, like मुझे क्या क्या पसंद है and मैं उनको कैसे अपने daily life में include करती हूँ और उनसे इंस्पायर होती हूँ या बोर नहीं होने के अलग अलग तरीके में क्या करती हूँ. So I think there will be a lot of books in the upcoming videos, a lot of random paintings and inspos in the upcoming videos. Then I think a few opinions that I do give or generally have for myself, and I see how those opinions shape the personality that I am today. And based on that, I would like to know what you guys think of what I feel. The topics can be a little social. I wouldn't want them to be contradicting and controversial, but I would try for everyone to engage as much as they can to let out their thoughts and see how they feel about the society that they stay in, and what it impacts them, how that impact can shape their friend circle, their ideologies, and over a period of time, how they can nurture and develop themselves with that thought process. Because the person that I am today and the person that I was 5 years ago, there's a lot of difference in those two people. And that is primarily the reason that I am maybe on YouTube trying to share my thoughts. I would definitely like to share the way I used to think and the way I think now, and how possibly that can be inspiring for people. And I hope I do inspires at least someone, even if like एक person को मैंने inspired किया तो शायद दिल को एक खुशी मिलेगी. And I feel yeah, doing something for people is something that I love the most. I love engaging with people, and I think that is the reason that I have started this YouTube channel. It takes a lot of courage to just randomly do something and make sure that it creates an impact. But not getting too serious, yes, I do have a few concepts to just do fun, because the channel's name is What is Fun, Kritika? And this channel will definitely describe what is fun according to me and how I do random stuffs which I call fun. Maybe it can be boring at times. Even I will do try to include random vlogs that I do have, like a day out or something, to ensure कि क्या करना है, because मैं generally घर में ही रहती हूँ, मेरा work from home चलता है. So it gets boring, and then you have to actually make plans and dress up and meet people, and that can get exhausting. But the moment you get a chance, you would want to grab it, and I'm trying to do the same thing here. So hope this channel justifies its name with every video that I keep posting, and I hope that you guys enjoy my content. Okay, toodles, ta-ta.